हेलो टेक।
अगर यहाँ पे कोई है तो भाई बहुत भालो।
तो फिर
वीएल का आप
क्या?
मुस्लिम क्यों हो?
हूं तो क्या हो गया, तमीज से रही हो। अब तूने कोई बदतमीजी की ना, बैन हो जाएगा सीधे।
अल्लाह की जय हो अल्लाह की। अल्लाह
ये
की जय।
भाई
अल्लाह कर अल्लाह। अल्लाह की जय। अल्लाह की
हाँ भाई,
कोई
जय
है?
करेगा ही तू। करेगा ही तू।
इधर कुछ और बोलते हैं भाई आप।
जय अल्लाह। अल्लाह की
ये
जय।
तो भाई
मैं तो
पार्टी
अल्लाह।
बदल लेता है भाई। इसको
देयर
तो
इज
भाई
ओनली
सर।
वन गॉड।
हाँ, ये ऐसी है नहीं,
अल्लाह
है किसी का
अलोन है।
अपना नहीं है, ये ऐसी है।
मैं क्या कह रही? मुल्ली कटुई।
कैसे बोल रहा है बे?
तो
तमीज
कैसी
से
बात
रह
कर
ले।
रहा है
अब
भाई।
तूने एक और बुरा शब्द बोला ना।
विंगमैन भाई कैसे हो?
बढ़िया भाई। तुम सुनाओ।
भाई छुट्टा
हेलो
फूक रहे हो अभी
लूसी।
भी?
हाँ यार।
लूसी यार, ये वीएल का मुझे गालियां दे रही है यार। बात कर ले।
क्या हुआ?
सुना उसने
वीएल
भी,
का
ठीक
मुझे
है ना,
गाली
ये
दे रही है यार।
मुल्ला कटवा जो तूने बोला अभी, सुना उसने भी।
नहीं नहीं, मैं तो अभी आया हूँ just।
अच्छा, अभी
क्या
है
बोला
क्या?
क्या देखो?
भाई
क्या
विंगमैन भाई पता है
बोला?
हल्के जैसे रहते हैं। तुम लोग भाई देख के फट जाओगे भाई।
से इसको
अबे
पीट
तो
क्या
दो
भाई
भाई,
सेम
ये
मैं।
मुल्ला
जिप
तो।
को। इस पे दिमाग तो है नहीं।
यार मुल्ला मुल्ले को बोल सकता है राइट, लाइक मुल्ला नॉन मुल्ले को नहीं बोल सकता। या
क्या
नॉन मुल्ला मुल्ले को नहीं बोल सकता।
तो तू मुस्लिम है क्या?
भाई आप हो ना मतलब चलो। बजा दिया भाई।
हाँ। अल्लाह अकबर, मुस्लिम हूँ।
अच्छा भाई तो मुझे एक बात बताओ, वो कल मेरे से एक बंदा कुछ पूछ रहा था तो मैं अभी बस पूछता हूँ। कोई तो स्टोरी थी भाई वो। रुको भाई। अरे कहाँ है? दूसरे वाले फोन।
कहाँ चला गया ये जैब?
अच्छी
क्या
बात है,
भाग गया
गुड
वो?
रिडेंस।
अरे वो टेक के पीछे भाग गया भाई।
ऐसे।
Yo, what's up?
हाय रोहन, मतलब
कोई था?
What's good, gang? What's good?
अब तो एवरीथिंग इज
हेलो
गुड।
इंटेलेक्चुअल
सिर्फ
गाय।
चला गया।
हेलो। हेलो
ओए टेक।
इंटेलेक्चुअल गाय।
ओए ओए सुन वैब भाई, ये बताइए साफिया बिन ताही। ये कहाँ, ये क्या चीज है साफिया बिन ताही?
No,
तुम
the
मुसलमान हो?
real question is what is that?
अरे अरे अरे, मुझे लगा वो जैब है यहाँ पे, सॉरी सॉरी
नहीं
दोस्त।
नहीं,
No, no,
अभी
he's
गुड
not there. He
रिडेंस उसका
left
ही बोला
long
था।
ago.
या नहीं,
ओके
नॉट लॉन्ग
सर।
अगो।
थैंक यू।
Yeah, totally, totally. But why did
अरे
you
ये नहीं
imagine
समझ।
him to be here?
अरे वो
Like,
तीन भाई लड़के के बीच में भाज गया, छोड़ो रे हम। फोरसम करने का।
that's such a weird thing to say about your friend, bro. Why would you say that?
कौन सा दोस्त भाई?
Why would you say that statement about?
अरे कोई नहीं यार, इतना सीरियस क्यों हो रहे हो भाई?
दोस्त नहीं हो किसी का, वो बदतमीज लड़का है एक।
समोसा खाओ भाई। समोसा
Oh,
खाओ। खाओगे समोसा?
no, I don't eat samosa. I stopped eating it 2 years ago. Wait, actually
अ-
more. Yeah.
क्यों भाई? क्यों?
I don't know. I lost interest eating food like that because it makes me feel like shit. So I stopped eating it.
अच्छा। अभी नहीं
Yeah.
करते हो क्या शिट आप?
What?
अभी वो नहीं
अरे
करता भाई, अभी वो
लेम है भाई, लेम ह्यूमन।
डेजर्ट
Yeah.
निकालता भाई, वो ठंडे ठंडे डेजर्ट।
अब भाई आप मतलब पानी पीते हो और सूरज की रोशनी से भाई चार्ज हो जाते हो।
Yeah.
नाइस ब्रो।
Totally. Totally.
अरे अरे भाई, ये वाला शक्तियाँ हमको भी चाहिए। भूख बहुत लगता है ना।
वो
Oh,
वाला पानी पीता है ना भाई, गंदा वाला।
isn't it
अरे
just a skill issue? Like it's not that hard. Just stop eating samosa. Like it's that simple. So there is samosa, right? You see it and then you don't eat it. It's that simple. How is it so
तो बहुत
complicated?
मुश्किल है भाई, ये कैसी बात करती है? मतलब समोसे को देखने के बाद समोसे को मत खाओ। मेरा
वही
भाई
तो भाई,
पेट
Yeah.
ये
बहुत
तो वो
गुस्सा हो
बात।
जाएगा।
ये
ये
तो
मेरा
वो
पेट
बात हो
गुस्सा हो
गई कि
जाएगा।
लड़की को देखने के बाद छेड़ो ना।
हाँ, सही नहीं भाई, छेड़ना
Fuck?
जरूरी नहीं है।
Oh, oh my
What
God.
the fuck?
Wait,
The
what is
वही
this, a
fuck?
तो।
degenerate convention? What the fuck?
भाई एग्जाम्पल भी बंदा
हाँ,
कैसे दे रहा है, और रिटार्डेड एग्जाम्पल, वाओ।
हाँ भाई, मतलब लड़की को छेड़ रहा है भाई। उसको तो भाई रेप केस में अंदर डाला जाएगा।
Yeah.
भाई ऐसा हुआ।
Wow.
अरे भाई मैंने रेप
अभी
केस से याद आया, वो एक केस नहीं था उसमें वो पांच बंदे भाई एक लड़की को असॉल्ट किए थे। वो फेक था भाई।
अरे भाई,
है ना?
That's crazy,
लड़कियां
bro.
फेक फेक
What are
करती
you
है
gonna do
भाई,
about it?
फेक
What's your next step of
फेक ही
action?
करती है भाई।
नहीं भाई, वो बहुत तगड़ी न्यूज़ थी यार।
ओ वो
No,
वाला
I haven't
जिसमें
heard about it
यूपी का,
until now.
जिसमें वो सबको होटल में बुलाती थी और उसके पेरेंट्स ने बोला था, है ना?
लड़कियां ऐसे ही करती है भाई, सबको लड़कियों को सबसे ज्यादा मजा आता है भाई।
अरे भाई तुम्हें एक बात बताऊं, कल
This
मैंने एक
shit.
वो देखी, सुनो
What are
दोस्तों।
these opinions, bro?
वही,
पॉडकास्ट
Kill me now.
इनसेल
भाई
No.
ओपिनियंस।
Yeah, very incel opinions, guys. You can do better. You guys can do better if you choose
क्या?
to. But
Cut sweet, hi, Erasia, suck my duck, suck my duck, Chandler Bong, Dracula, Logan, Logan, hey, 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 nobody, 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 da 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 da, जरा जरा महकता है आज दिल मेरा, दन दन। Yo, what's up, NoFap?
हेलो।
Hello, NoFap, NoFap.
हेलो।
Hello, hello,
हेलो।
hello.
हेलो।
L, आप लो L.
लव।
क्या अजीब से लोग आते हैं यार।
इधर आऊंगी, अब तो स्क्रीन शेयर कर दिया मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ।
आ जाओ
उधर आ जाओ।
मानव पे करो।
Oh यार, this is तो very rude. Hey, mini AUI tag, 50 rupees. कहाँ है सब लोग? Hello, 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 hello. Nobody is here. Wait a minute. I think I left my conscience in a sixth dimension. And I'm here right now, right now. Oh wow, oh wow. I left my diary in your house. I read those pages. You really want me, baby.
अच्छा
You left your diary in my house.
अच्छा
Aww. What's up, gang?
Are you okay?
Say something, I'm giving up on you. Nobody's talking. Why is nobody talking? Say something. Hello. कोई
हाँ
भी
जी भाई हाँ
मेरे
जी
से बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? बात क्यों नहीं कर रहा है
ये
आज
क्योंकि
कोई
आप
भी?
सुनती नहीं हो
Hello, Shah. Can you hear me? Bro, what's wrong? Hello.
Hello, hello,
I
hello.
read those pages. No fab.
बात
छी यार.
क्या हो गया?
ओए, व्हाट्स अप? नथिंग नथिंग. मुझे किसी की आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, अभी आने लग गई.
हेलो।
बेल्लो.
लोल। आओ ना भाई, चलो भाई।
ओके ओके. हे राजकुमार. Rojoku. 1970 question mark Rojoku. Let's see who this Rojoku guy is. Rojoku. What? Guy. Rojoku Shikage, a character from anime series Durara. Rojoku guy refers to Rojoku Shikage. Rojoku 1959. What is Bro, he left. Oh my god. Why is nobody talking to me? Hi, Rohan. Oh, bruh. Hi, Rohan. Hello, Rohan. Hmm. Oh wow, oh wow. You left your diary in my house. When?
Hello.
Yeah, what's up? Try me. Oh, you're that guy. I see.
Hey, Velka, how are you?
Rohan. रोहन ओ मतलब तो आपने अब क्या सोचा आपके कनेक्शंस बने
Connections with?
अरे उस दिन हम लोगों ने बात किया था ना सो आपने मेरी पूरी बेइज्जती करवा दी थी आई वाज ट्राइंग टू प्रमोट इट और आपने मना कर दिया था ज्वाइन करने को
Uh, which server?
Hello.
कुछ नहीं रहने दो
Yo, what's up?
Hello.
हे
What's up, bro?
रोहन
What's up, guys? Bro, all the other VCs are so boring. Like,
Yeah, it's because it's 7 a.m.
oh yeah, I know. Like,
7:36 actually
isn't the morning energy supposed to be higher, bro? Like, why is everyone so depressed?
yeah I know right
Morning people are unfunny here.
Yeah, true, true. Everyone's like VLK, bro. What?
ha 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 ha
I know, right? Bro totally gave up cycling.
Oh,
yeah
Like, bro just gave it up.
yes sir it's all because of you sir
It's not because of me. Shut the fuck up.
yes sir
It's
it
some
is because
other
of you
reason.
no
No, no, no.
I
It
told you
is
the whole
not.
thing it is because of you
That that was like a whole false pretense.
no
So false.
no it wasn't it is what I
It
believe
it was
no
it was
no
so
Zuko
false that the
mm-hmm.
truth is not the truth, you know?
It is the truth.
It's not.
It is.
Telp is the truth. Let's see if he agrees.
yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, so I used to go cycling at 5:30 something 6:30 okay in the morning and फिर उसके बाद I used to sit on Discord and I used to talk to people so Rohan was the only person who used to join my VC every day and talk to me okay so my cycling habit was like somehow was connected to Rohan क्योंकि he used to come talk so I enjoyed cycling फिर उसके बाद Rohan stopped coming
Rohan,
Hyper.
Yeah.
Rohan, Velka,
Mm.
Taboo.
no
Now,
Yeah.
no
uh, I'll go in sometime, bro. I don't think I can play Taboo.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Carry on, carry on.
All right. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, so he stopped coming, he stopped joining my VC and all, so I stopped enjoying cycling, so I stopped cycling.
What the fuck is that reason?
What?
Yeah, this
That's so
happens, dude.
weird.
How is that weird?
I feel like
You
you
used
just
to
needed
talk to him
an
after
excuse to
cycling,
stop
right?
cycling.
What? Sorry?
You used to
I'm
talk to him
saying,
after cycling, right? Not before.
What?
You used to come over
Oh.
Discord after cycling,
No.
right?
While cycling.
Before cycling.
Yeah,
Before.
yeah,
Okay.
yep. It makes sense, right?
Oh, it doesn't.
It does, it does.
You were just
Not
making
at all.
excuses. We're just trying to procrastinate.
No.
Bro, you have no idea what she said yesterday. She basically, in every indirect way, said that she hates her grandmom, but
No,
she was
no,
sugarcoating it to a next
no.
level, bro. Like,
Shut up,
holy
Rohan. I
shit.
said I love her, I just don't like her. That's all.
No, yeah, which means you don't love her.
No, it means I love her, but just don't like what she does, some things.
Yeah, so you don't like her at all. You actually don't
No,
even
not
love
at
her.
all. I do like her, that's why I love her. No, not that's why. But like, yeah,
This, you
I
see what I
like.
mean?
No, no, no. There are only
No, she
certain
does
things that
not
I
like
don't.
you.
No, no, no. I love my grandmom and also I
If you
like her
love
also.
someone, you're not gonna see their flaws ever.
Yeah, exactly. That sentence won't exist, Andy. You're making
Yeah.
contradictions.
No. It doesn't work like that, okay? You can love somebody and still
That's what.
know they are not good human being.
No, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah, it does.
But that doesn't make sense if you. No, no, it doesn't. Because if you love somebody, your perception of that person is that they can do no wrong, morally or
No, that's
immorally.
blindly
So in
loving
your
somebody. That's
perception,
wrong. That's not love, okay?
that's what you're doing.
That is
No,
what exactly love is meant to be.
no.
Exactly, that's
This
what
is
love is
your
meant to be. So
definition
when
of
you use
love,
the word
okay?
love,
Nay, love is not that.
no, no, no. Everyone's version is not different.
It is. Love is caring about
It's not.
somebody, thinking about somebody, wanting good
Not
for that person, and yeah, I think that's all.
And
what
no, no.
does she do to hate?
Nah, bro, that's so retarded. Hell nah, you did
That's
not
not
say that.
retarded. That is
That
exactly
is
what
What
so
is
love
it?
is.
retarded.
No,
That is not
What
what
is the
love
thing
is.
that she
it
does
is.
that you hate?
What?
What, what do you hate about her? Like, what does she do that you
Black
hate?
magic.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, shut the. Admit it, bro. Like, why do you care so much? Just say it that you
No,
hate your
no,
grandma.
I don't hate her. I love her. I think if she'll ever do some kind of black magic on me, it'll be because of me, for my benefit. So I know she also loves me. I also love her. Yeah. It's just she does
You
bad
don't
things
love
to
her.
other people. I do love her. I just don't like her. Some things of her,
See,
okay?
that
There are
is
certain
where
no. See.
that is
There are certain things I like about her. That's why I love her. But there are certain big things that I don't like about her. But I love her because she's my family, because she cares about me, because I care about her, because I think good of her. I want her to be healthy, happy, and all that. That is
Yeah, but
loving.
in
that's
conclusion, you don't love her. Is
I
what
do
you're
yeah.
love
You
saying.
her.
don't love
To
her.
sum
You're
it up.
just a
Why I
well
don't love
wisher,
her?
but you don't love
Yeah,
her.
Well
yeah,
wishing is
that is
also
the
loving,
correct
okay? It's
word.
a form
Well
of
wisher.
loving. No.
It's not. It's
It
see if
is.
it's a
Then
form, the
what is
multiple
loving?
form that makes
No, okay,
one
then
form.
what is loving? How do you love your family?
Look, it's look, basically, you have to look at this through a lens. When you look at this, it's very like blind. There's no logic to it. So you can't, so even if they do something wrong, you go like, oh, they might have done it for themselves, blah, blah, blah. You won't consider that to be wrong. If you
No.
do, then you don't
No,
really
it
love the
doesn't
person.
happen with me. Then I don't love anybody. This is not my definition of
Yeah,
love,
then
and this is
you
not
don't
the
love
definition
anybody
of.
then.
No,
You
this is
don't.
nah, this
That's
is not
correct.
the
You don't.
definition of love. No,
You
nobody I know has this definition. Okay, even my parents sees my flaws and all. They
Oh,
don't like
shut
me,
the
but
hell
they
up.
do love me. Yeah.
Bro, you proving my point again. Shut the hell up. You proved my point again. You literally just said that nobody has this form. That's my point. That's my point. Nobody
What
thinks of
form?
this.
No, I mean everybody I
Yeah.
know loves like this only. Even my parents know. They know.
No, bro.
I
No, no,
think
no,
right
no.
now they don't like me, but they do love me. They don't like me because I have
No,
done
that's
certain
not.
things. That's why they don't like me. But
Wait, your parents don't like you?
I mean,
Nah,
not
nah.
like
She's
not
talking nonsense now.
not properly, but like there are certain things I did. That's why they don't like me for those things. Okay, but it doesn't mean that they don't love me. They do love me. They love me the
What?
most. But
What
not
Wait.
liking
makes
is a
them
very
like
different thing.
you?
Not
No,
liking what
what
I
makes
did, my actions. But my actions are me only, right?
No, you're comparing. No. You can't compare that to the relationship you have with your grandmother. That's different.
I
That's
have a
that's
good
more of an
relationship with
external
her.
thing.
No.
Not as much as your parents though. That's
Yeah,
not possible.
obviously. Yeah, obviously. So,
So those are not really comparable then. Don't compare it. And when you said that everyone you know doesn't have this kind of loving relationship, which
no,
means
not
that
this
they
kind
don't
of.
see the bad things at all. That's my
No,
point.
I said that nobody I know loves like this. Like, not seeing the bad in the other person just because you love them. We can see the bad in other people even
Yeah,
after
how
loving
would you
them.
know? How would you know if they themselves don't see the bad? How would they know?
Because they see bad in me and they love me.
No, that's just a lie, bro. Oh my God.
What is a lie?
If
Them
somebody
loving
sees
me or seeing bad in me?
them loving you, but see the parents thing is different.
Ah,
I
okay.
told you the parents thing is different. We're talking about grandmother and you. That's
I see.
different. That's very different. It's a very indirect connection.
Hello.
So, Piss, can we conclude that this person does not like her
No,
grandma?
you cannot conclude that.
Yeah, she does not.
No,
She does
I
not,
do, I do.
right?
Very, nah, it's
Yeah,
very evident that she
it's
It's
doesn't
very
not
like
evident.
evident, okay?
Exactly, it's so evident.
No, it's spotting nonsense.
It is
I love her.
so clearly
I know I
evident.
love her.
You don't.
अरे ओ कैलिफोर्निया मेरा भाई कहता तो
Hi, hello, how are you from?
I am from
और
my
भाई
mother मेरा भाई I am from my mother.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, I am happy birthday. Same to you.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Da 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 da. क्या होना भी है तेरा नाम जाने यूं होना भी है तुमसे ही दिल होता है शर्माए शाम आती है तुमसे ही तुमसे ही oh wait, no way, it's still